Imagine an accident occurs and you know there is a camera nearby that captured everything. That footage could be the most important piece of evidence to clarify what really happened. But how do you get your hands on it before it disappears or gets deleted? To formally request accident surveillance footage, you need to send a written demand or preservation letter to the individual or entity in possession of the footage as quickly as possible. This letter should clearly state your interest in the footage and specifically request its immediate preservation. The primary reason for a formal written request is to create a legal record and put the custodian of the footage on notice. Without this formal request, a business or individual may not be obligated to keep the footage, and it could be overwritten or deleted according to their normal data retention policies. This written notice establishes a clear expectation for preservation, which is crucial for potential legal proceedings. First, identify all potential sources of footage. Think about nearby businesses, traffic cameras, residential security systems, or even doorbell cameras. Make a list of these locations. Next, gather all the critical details of the incident. This includes the precise date, the exact time down to the minute, and the specific location of the accident. These details are vital for the custodian to locate the correct video files. Then draft a formal letter. This letter should be polite yet firm. Clearly state that you were involved in an accident at the specified date, time, and location. Request all surveillance footage from a reasonable time frame before, during, and after the incident. For example, ask for footage from 15 minutes before the accident to 15 minutes after. Crucially, include a specific request that the footage be immediately preserved and not altered, destroyed, or recorded over. Explain that this footage is critical evidence for a potential personal injury claim. Send this letter via certified mail with a return receipt requested. This provides you with proof that the letter was sent and received. You can also send a copy via email if an address is available. Always keep copies of everything you send and any responses you receive. If you encounter resistance or the footage is not provided, it may be time to consult with a personal injury attorney. They can assist with legal subpoenas or other formal discovery processes to compel the releases of the evidence. Understanding the concept of spoliation of evidence is key here. Spoliation refers to the intentional or negligent destruction or alteration of evidence that is relevant to a legal proceeding. A formal preservation letter can help establish spoliation if the footage is later claimed to be unavailable. Many establishments have varying data retention policies, some as short as 24 to 72 hours, so acting quickly is essential. Knowing this insider detail highlights the urgency. Securing accident surveillance footage promptly and correctly is a powerful step in documenting your accident and strengthening any potential claim. By understanding how to formally request this vital evidence and acting swiftly, you significantly improve your chances of accurately piecing together what happened, ensuring a fair consideration of your case.